there were various forms of military occupation, and the United States could occupy Formosa without any Americans being present. So this is even before the signing of the peace treaty with Japan, which is, in other words, San Francisco Peace Treaty. This is dated May 3rd, 1951. Okay, now let's go back to some other situations that concerning Taiwan's international legal status, starting with Cairo Declaration of December 1st, 1943, the Potsdam Proclamation of July 1945, and the Japanese surrender document dated September 2nd, 1945. All of these did not serve to finalize any transfer of the territorial sovereignty of Taiwan to Republic of China. Now here today, on April 28th, 2010, marking the 58th anniversary of the San Francisco Peace Treaty went into effect back in 1952. So it's been 58 long years since we have the San Francisco Peace Treaty. We are here, hopefully we would like to recodification. We'd like to do the recodification of pre-existing U.S. executive branch policy. Because under U.S. One China policy, 3 Communique, Taiwan Relations Act, and as well as what we understand about U.S. Constitution and U.S. laws of war or international laws, that the United States executive branch has so far played the strategic ambiguity as well as the U.S. foreign policy regarding Taiwan. So we are here hoping to remind the U.S. government that the U.S. still has an unfinished business for Taiwan or Formosa and Pacific Doors since World War II ended. It is a constitutional obligation that the U.S. still owe the Formosan Taiwanese, the native Formosan Taiwanese, that is to help them establish a Formosan or Taiwan civil government. So we are here to stress that the era of ROC on Taiwan should have been terminated by a decree of the U.S. Commander-in-Chief at some time shortly after the end of April 1952. At the present time, the native Taiwanese people have every right to demand that the U.S. Commander-in-Chief take all necessary remedial action in this regard and announce the end of the era of ROC on Taiwan. Like Mr. Shea mentioned that in April of 1999, that the U.S. High Court made a explicit opinion that the people on Taiwan are still stateless since World War II ended. That does not mean all 23 million people on Taiwan are stateless, because there are about 18% of the population are of the exile Republic of China refugee and their descendants. And the rest of the people, about 82% of the people, are native-born Formosan Taiwanese. Those are the people that is defined as stateless by the U.S. court, opinion brought up by Nadim versus USA case. In this regard, I feel that the U.S. executive branch has not protected the native-born Taiwanese people's some fundamental rights under the protection of the U.S. Constitution. So it is very important that we commemorate this 58th anniversary of the San Francisco Peace Treaty. We are here to remind the U.S. government that they should fulfill their unfinished obligation. Again, that is to help the establishment of the Taiwan civil government. Thank you. That's my what I want to say today.
Thank you. Well, I would also like to take this opportunity to introduce